Hi all, today I am going to show you how to record the screen recording option with voice. For example, if you want to show something in on the laptop, so you can record the screen with voice. You can talk and also you can record the screen. Uh, as we know, there are many mobile apps are there to record the screen in mobile, and also in laptop also there will be some apps, but there is a inbuilt option for Windows, especially Windows 10. So if anybody is having Windows 10 in their laptop, then they can record the screen using this feature. If you see on the screen, so it is there is a window pop-up opened with some icons with get menu, and this is audio. If you want to speak along with the screen recording, you can enable these, and there is a capture. If you want to capture the screens or screenshots, you can do that. And there is a performance like file recording, like you can check the performance and expose. And here is some, like there is a enable click through, like file recording. If you want to click using mouse, then you can enable this. You can, if you want to disable, you can also click on that, it will get disabled. Okay, there is a setting where so using setting uh, we can custom or we can change according to our how we want. Shortcuts is there, accounts. So accounts in the sense like we need to sign in to use this feature. Okay, there is a get menu, personalization, capturing game features and feedback. Here we can see they have listed out the shortcuts actually. So there is open Xbox game bar, Windows plus G is the using which we will open it. Then if you want to take a screenshot, then Windows plus Alt plus print screen. And if you want to record last 30 seconds, Windows plus Alt plus G. If you want to start stop, then we can enter Windows plus Alt plus R. Okay, microphone, if you want to switch on our microphone, we can press Windows plus Alt plus M. And if you want to switch up, then same thing, like same shortcuts we can use. If you want to see the captures or the screenshots, you can click here, see my captures. So one more window will open. Here it will show the screenshot, the number of screenshot captured, and all the videos, like the recordings or the screenshot, will get saved in this folder. C drive users, in users, then captures. So here it will get saved.